We went to Ireland back a few weeks ago and just not even touched this stuff. Like, I've left them in the bags. I'm like, oh my goodness, this stuff's amazing. I just can't not show it. We actually left the tripod back here when we were gone, so sorry if they're not the greatest. But anyway, as I was saying, so Primark, as we all know and love, and Primark now, like, I've grown up with Primark all in England my whole life, and I know they have it in like France, Spain, I want to say, maybe Belgium, and I know they have it in America as well now. There's about 6 stores in the States. There's none in any of the states that are near us, unfortunately, and Canada still does not yet have one. But I'm going to keep begging Primark to branch out. When we went to Ireland, we went to the Penney store there. So that one is what the original name is for Primark, because that is where Primark came from. So we went down to one, I think it was like on O'Connell Street. I have to double check on that and write it down. We were in Ireland for like 24 hours and it's really cool. There's so much stuff there that reminds me of home. It makes me feel like I'm kind of at home. Obviously, it's a different country completely, but because it's so close, there are some similarities. In this, looks like a small haul, but I think it's pretty decent. I have a few exciting goodies, mainly Harry Potter stuff today. Oh my gosh. I don't know which things to show you guys first. I got, oh my gosh. If I can find him. So I did get myself these 3 PS lip kits. Now, if you follow the trends, the basic girl trends, you'll know that the Kylie Jenner lip kits are pretty popular. I read online when I was it was right before we went on a trip, that these Primark or Penney's lip kits are dupes, like real dupes of her lip kits. And do you know what? These cost, well, it cost €4 per kit. So it comes with like a lip liner. Oh no, I just ripped my box. It comes with a lip liner and a matte liquid lipstick. Anyhow, so that's really cool that this is out there, because this, I believe I made a mistake and I should have got these from the English stores, because how the exchange was, it worked out being cheaper back home. I think they're £3 in England, but if I'm wrong, like, correct me. I will write it down now. I'll have a check online. So this is this one. I don't know, like, I'm pretty happy with that, because the lip kits are about $20 US, give or take a few, and then you get charged when you order from Ulta to Canada. You get charged customs and shipping. So for me, it's not worthwhile to do that. I'd much rather get them from Primark or Penny's. So that colour is called, well, that shade is called Clueless. So that's awesome. Yay! Oops, I'm like dropping everything. The next shade that I got is Hustle. I love that name of it. It's kind of cool. I'll have to do some swatches one day so you can see what they look like. So this is the Hustle shade. It's really nice. I can't get over the fact that Primark's doing makeup now. You know, I remember when I used to go there with my mum when I was little and get my little vests and stuff like that, you know, when you're like 5. Yeah, like crazy. And now they're just, they've really upped their game. It's insane. I just hope that we can get one over here sometime soon, because I honestly get sad when I see stuff online and I go, oh, you know, I'm wasting so much money on buying stuff over here, and meanwhile there's stuff over there for the same kind of thing, maybe even better quality at Primark as well sometimes. £5 for a top, and then the same jumper, sorry, like a jumper's £14, like a Harry Potter one or something, then over here it's like $60, like £30 or something. Like, it's insane. I can't deal with that. And I know lots of my Canadian friends feel the same way. So, you know. Come on, Canada. And then the lip liner. I can't express how long I've been waiting to do this and waiting to show you guys. I haven't been able to wear these things because, yeah, Oh my gosh. I'm going to save my two favourite things for last because they're just amazing. Oh man, everything's so cool. Let's get the non-Disney, non-Harry Potter stuff out of the way. So I got myself these Pusheen socks, and they're Halloween Pusheen ones. For a pack of 3, they're €3.50. I think they say cents. Like, oh my goodness, you guys. I'm obsessed with Pusheen. I do subscribe to the Pusheen box, but because it doesn't get delivered to our house, my videos can be late. They get sent to America. So, trick or treat. Pusheen witch. I don't know. Pusheen warlock. And then Pusheen looks like he's about to go to a haunted house. Like, oh, these are so cool. And they're so comfy. I can't stop ranting and raving about Primark. The next pair I got are, yeah, I got a lot of socks. I needed some. These Gudetama socks. I love Gudetama. Brendan hates Gudetama. The other day in Alice's vlog, she said something about, oh, I just don't get Gudetama. You don't need to get Gudetama. Gudetama is just amazing. It's okay. We're all Gudetama. So Gudetama's chilling out. Gudetama looks like he or she is just laying flat, living the egg life. And Gudetama wants 5 more minutes of sleep. Don't we all? I'm obsessed. I hope they bring out more Gudetama merch. I didn't see very much when I was there, so maybe I went at the wrong time of year. I don't know. Then we're on to the Harry Potter. So I got some of those invisible socks. This one is a Harry one. He's got his scar and his glasses on him. Platform 9 3/4 this way. And another pair. The next item, I promise, is the last pair of socks, but my favourite pair of socks, because this goes with what I am showing you next. My favourite item by far from this little haul. So these are some chibi Harry Potter socks. Now, I know I've talked about chibi stuff a lot. Oh my gosh, I can't find anything. I just moved everything onto the Christmas tree out there, but you'll know the chibi designs from the way they draw them like this. They're on a lot of the merch out there these days. I've heard a couple of other people call them cutesy designs, so maybe in different countries they're called different things. But there we have a chibi Harry sock. And it's got cute little glittery tips on the end too. And of course we've got a chibi Hermione. Oops. And last but certainly not least, a chibi Ronald Bilious Weasley. So these are going to be on my feet right away. These are just so in love with them. I think like the second I saw this I was freaking. I think, maybe not. But inside, in my heart at least, I was freaking out when I saw it. New improved sizing from Primark apparently. See, I think I noticed that when I went there. They had changed things. Like they added a 4 to 6. That wasn't there last time I was home. And then, yeah, I don't know, because, for example, yeah, this, oh my God, I'm just going to stop talking so you guys can have a look at what this top says. So, this top, as I was saying, so it's got the chibi design, so you'll see how they match kind of thing, you know, the same type of style of drawing. It looks like it's a pretty decent size. I think they've done pretty well. This top is everything. Ever since I bought it, I've been wanting to wear it, but I've refused. So I was like, no. So I really do want to show like how amazing this Primark stuff is. I just don't think, you know, those of us who don't have a store, like, are always aware of really how good this stuff is. And it's not expensive either. This was €6, which I'm going to put down there what that is in pounds and Canadian dollars. You know, €6 for a top. This stuff would cost $30 if we got that. And I'm telling you, the quality of Primark's clothes, like I've heard numerous ones of my friends say, you know, their game, like, it's just their game so strong. No one can test Primark, I'm telling you. And the very last item in this bag are these. I cannot really showcase them to their full beauty. Like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You know, there's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Oh my gosh. These are the best things I've ever, like, oh, you know, I've got a beautiful pair of SJP heels. They're the only pair of designer heels that I own. Brendan gifted them to me for our first anniversary. Beautiful, beautiful shoes. But I just, and I love them equally. I love them more because he got me them, but out of all my other shoes, these are my favourites. And the reason why is because, well, first things first. Oh, don't tell me just the price ain't on them. €18. Now, in England, I believe they're £14. £14 for a pair of Minnie Mouse heels? What? What? Like, I can't fathom how I just don't understand how they do it. Like, I could just keep going on and on, like, about Primark. I could do a Primark love video, my love for Primark. So, oh my God, like, it's insane. And I've got some really cool ideas about these heels because they don't just have red, and you'll see in our video, they have these open toe gold ones because I bought the closed toe stiletto heel red. They have a closed toe stiletto black glitter one. And then I think there's another one. There's like got a black and red bow. I don't remember how much that one was, but obviously with the weight limit and all that kind of stuff, I did only just buy the one pair. I've got some other ideas for the other colours. I didn't pick any of those up yet, but I've got fingers crossed because I'm hoping I can pick some of those. I really don't want to pay 4 times the price. I'm so in love with these heels. They are so amazing. You need them. If you have, like, check out your local Primark. If they don't have them, go to the next town, hop on the bus, whatever you need to do. If you love them as much as I do. They really are a huge bargain. Why buy designer heels when you can get these? With that, I hope you enjoyed this haul. I know I did. I just can't get over how amazing Primark is. It really is like the best store, in my opinion, the best store in the world. If you want to see more of these, we've got 2 more recent Primark hauls coming up. We've got lots more Harry Potter and Disney content coming your way, and a challenge video coming up really, really soon. So stay tuned. We really enjoy having you guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do. We really do appreciate your support. There will be more of Brendan coming along soon if you miss him. Thanks for sticking around. Hope you all have an amazing day. See you later.